Hello everyone, welcome to Simplified GD&T. I am Swapnil Gujarati, your GD&T mentor. I have 25 years of design experience and for last 15 years working as a full-time GD&T trainer. I have delivered 600 plus trainings on GD&T, ISO GPS and tolerance stack-up analysis and trained more than 11,000 engineers globally. But why I am telling you this? Not to brag, not to showcase my achievements, but to share how this journey started. When I started learning GD&T back in 2001, it felt like a dark mystery. The symbols looked very difficult, datums seemed confusing, feature control frames looked like some secret engineering code. Most of the times, I simply copied GD&T from the reference drawings. And whenever there was a conflict with manufacturing or quality department or suppliers, I ran to seniors for guidance and help. One day, something magical, something transformative happened. A senior handed me a copy of L. Newman's GD&T workbook and said, GD&T doesn't have to be that complicated. That book changed everything for me. It opened my eyes. It shifted my perspective. Suddenly, GD&T wasn't a mystery. It was a powerful engineering language. I began to see further, clearer, and deeper by virtually standing on shoulders of GD&T masters like L. Neumann, Donde, Krulikowski, James Meadows, and many others. And slowly, I realized a profound truth that GD&T is a bridge that connects design, manufacturing, and inspection departments. It brings everyone onto the same page and lets everyone speak the same clear and unambiguous language that is called as language of GD&T. And when you truly understand GD&T, something changes inside. You don't just make better drawings, you communicate better, you design better, and you build better. That realization inspired me to start this channel, Simplified GD&T, a place dedicated to make GD&T clear, simple, and easy for everyone. Whether you are a student starting your journey or a seasoned professional want to refresh and sharpen your expertise, you will find clarity, value, and practical insights here. So hit that subscribe button and let's simplify GD&T together. And always remember, GD&T is simple. Adios.